moments later.
Alright, we just came from Jamrock and they gave us jerk sauce. They gave us passion fruit lemonade. And let's take a look at the jerk chicken with seasoning. Oh, hold on. Oh, they gave us salad. Oh, look at that. Back it up, so back it up. I'm making the whole thing. You see it? Okay, somebody's mouth's watering right now. Alright, so we have forks. Okay, so that's, you want this one? Or that's mine? Okay. Pause it. Show me. They also have salad dressing for the salad. I believe this is French. Yes, this is French. Isn't this cute? I love it. It's adorable. And I guess the jerk sauce. We're gonna test it to see if it's like Brooklyn's jerk sauce in the hood. We're gonna test that out. All right. Well, we're gonna get to eating, and we'll tell you how it tastes. Here we go. Try this mac and cheese.
This was over here when I was working.
Yeah, you'll be fat. Strong cheddar cheese taste. I like that. But there's no, can you see? There's no string pull to it, but the cheese is very cheesy.
Yeah.
What did you try?
I tried the plantain and the
Alright, I'm gonna try this rice. Rice is excellent. I taste the coconut. This is good. Alright, I didn't get this chicken yet.
Try the plantain.
I'm not really a plantain fan, but I'll try it anyway.
You damn mind, I like it.
Very dessert-like. It's very sweet. That's pretty good. Okay. Thank you for making me a plantain fan. You're a plantain fan. I don't think I like plantains any other time. This is delicious.
No, I don't really like mine.
Never really been a plantain fan. With this, I can eat again. I can eat a whole bowl of these plantains.
Me too.
Remind me of sweet potatoes or something.
Yep.
Like yams.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to this chicken without the sauce first. Okay, here we go. Follow me up. Chicken is tender. How about yours? That's good, right?
And that's without the sauce. It still got spice to it.
Yeah. Alright. Now I see why that line is long. I'm gonna show, oh, there's even more people getting on this line. Oh my god. I'm not gonna mess up my food. If I drop it on the floor, you're gonna see me crying, and then it'll be a comedy video instead of a review. Oh man, so good, so good. All right, any final words? I didn't put the jerk sauce on it because I really don't think I need it. I'm scared to put it on, I might ruin it. That's how good it is. But I'm keeping the sauce because I'm curious. Yeah, I don't really want to ruin this. This chicken is excellent as it is. Shout out. Only thing, I'm not a big fan of the mac and cheese because I like gooey cheese, me personally. But the taste is good.
Yeah.
What you think?
Everything's on point.
Yeah, oh, the salad is fresh. I'm big. Oh, yeah. You always wanted to say this. Okay, hold on, guys.
Welcome to Jamrock.
It's so corny. Okay, well, we give Jamrock a thumbs up for excellent. We're coming back here. We have to. It's on 6th Avenue and what's the cross street? I'll put it in, I think it's 52nd.
That's 50.
It's 56. This is, no, 51st is over here. This is 52nd. 52nd is 6th Avenue. It's right across from the TD Bank. And the UBS Bank is right in front of that. And there's plenty of seating area in the front. So, yeah, but you got to catch it because that line is long. All right, y'all.
I think they have a storefront there.
Okay, well, we'll look into that. We'll put all their information in the bottom of the video. Thank you for watching. Peace. Oh yeah, I forgot to add that we had the Jamrock Passion Fruit Lemonade and it was delicious. Anyway, you might want to give them a shot. And thanks again for watching. Peace.